In this tutorial, we will learn how to make this part by using shell command. So let's start. Select file, click on new, select your part, click OK. After that, this environment window will be open. Go to sketch, select here a circle and then select this front plane. Make a circle here, press escape button. OK. Now select the circle command again and make a circle here. After that, select smart dimensions. Set the dimension of bigger circle as 70 millimeter and then set the smaller circle diameter as 40 millimeter. After that, select these two center of the circles and set distance as 70 mm. So after that, expand this and select tangent arc. Select this circle and click here in the environment window. After that, select that tangent arc again. Select these two circles and click here in the environment window again. Select this arc and make relation equal. Okay. After that, select smaller circle and this upper arc and make relation tangent, and then select this bigger circle and upper arc and make relation as tangent again. Then select the bigger circle and the lower arc and make relation as tangent. Let me do it again. Make relation here tangent, and then smaller circle and tangent arc and again make relation as tangent. Select your smaller dimension and set the radius of the arc as 80 millimeter. Similarly, we will do the same for this lower arc, 80 mm radius. Okay. After that, select this line command and make a vertical line here. After that, select this line and select this option for making it as construction line. Now it's time to make another circle. Select the circle command and make a circle here at the origin. And similarly make a circle here. Select smart dimensions and set the diameter of this circle. I am setting this to 40 mm and similarly this circle to 15 mm. After that, select this trim entities option. Click here and trim these entities. After that, click OK. Now select mirror entities. Select arcs and the circle for entities to mirror, and for mirror about, select this line and the entities will be mirrored about this line. After that, select trim entities and trim this arc. After that, click OK. And then go to features, select extruded boss command and extrude this up to 30 millimeter. Click OK, and here we have our 3D object. Now select the fillet and then select this edge. Set this to 5. After that, click OK and the fillet is applied. For this face, select this face and select the shell command and set this parameter dimension as 0.2 millimeter. Click OK and the shell command has been applied. We have obtained our required geometry. Okay, so let's apply some color. Select this option and let's assign some color, blue. I think this color looks better. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.